皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Hey, Hikari, thank you for that introduction. Welcome back, everyone, to the Social English Podcast. I'm glad you're here. This is episode 282. Today is a Word of the Week episode.
Word of the Week 今週の言葉。毎回一つの英語表現を深く学ぶコーナーです。
And today's word? Bestie. B-E-S-T-I-E. Bestie. Before I explain it, think about it for a moment. Have you ever heard this word before? Social media, Hollywood movie, YouTube. What do you think it means? All right, so here's our word for today. Bestie. Do you know what it means? Take a moment. Think about it. Here's a hint. If your best friend does something really kind for you, maybe they bring you coffee or help you when you're stressed, you might say, "Oh, you're literally my bestie."
リテラリー。本来は文字通りという意味ですが、会話では本当に、マジでという強調として使われます。
Now, does that help? Okay, well, let's find out exactly what it means.
Excuse me, Percy.
Yes, go ahead, Hiyori.
I heard this word, bestie. My American friend said it to me, but I didn't understand. What does it mean?
Oh, great question. So, bestie is short for best friend.
ベストフレンド。最も仲の良い友達、親友。ベスティはその短縮形で、より親しみやすくカジュアルな言い方です。Best friend? So, my friend thinks I am her best friend?
Exactly. And that's really good. That's really a good thing, you know? When someone calls you their bestie, it means they feel close to you. They really like you. They're comfortable with you.
Oh, that is nice. I was a little worried.
No need to be worried at all. Bestie is always a compliment.
コンプリメント。褒め言葉、好意的な言葉。ベスティと呼ばれたら、それは相手があなたに親しみや好意を感じているサインです。
Now, let's look at how bestie is used in real sentences. Here are 3 examples. Listen carefully. Example 1. She's been my bestie since we were in high school. Here, bestie means a true, long-term close friend. Example 2. You brought me soup when I was sick? You're literally my bestie. Here, a bestie is used to show appreciation and warmth. Example 3. Come on, Bestie. You got this.
You've got this. あなたならできる。大丈夫。という励ましの表現。試験や大事な場面の前によく使われます。
Here, bestie is used like a friend to cheer someone on and encourage them.
Percy, can I use bestie with someone I just met?
Great question. Yes. Sometimes Americans use it even with people they just met, especially to show warmth or say thank you. For example, imagine a stranger holds the door open for you as you go through a hotel door. You might say to them, "Thank you, bestie." It makes the moment feel friendly and warm.
Interesting. In Japan, we don't say things like this so easily.
That's a really important cultural point. In American English, people tend to express affection out loud. Bestie is a perfect example of that. So, where does bestie come from? Bestie is simply a shorter, more playful version of best friend. Adding the E, or E as in IE, or Y ending to words in English is very common in casual social English. Think about words like selfie, foodie, or doggy.
淡い、Y の語尾をつけることで、言葉がより親しみやすく、カジュアルになります。セルフィー、自撮り写真。フーディー、食べることが好きな人なども同じパターンです。
Bestie follows the same pattern. It takes best friend and it makes it warmer, more casual, more social, more fun. You'll hear it a lot in everyday conversation, and especially on social media.
On social media too?
Absolutely. If you scroll through Instagram, TikTok, you'll see Bestie everywhere. People tag their friends, using it in captions, they use it in comments. I mean, it's everywhere.
SNS でもベスティはよく使われます。インスタグラムや TikTok で友達をタグ付けするときや、コメント欄でもよく見かける表現です。
It's one of those words that moved from everyday speech straight into digital culture, like social media. Now, let's hear how it sounds in a real conversation. Imagine this. I'm working at a coffee shop, and Hiyori walks in and surprises me with my favorite drink.
Percy, I thought that was you. I brought you your coffee, the big one.
Wait, you remembered my order?
Of course, you always get the same thing.
You are literally my bestie. I don't know what I would do without you.
Bestie, I like this word.
See? It came out completely naturally. That's the goal, using it so much that it feels automatic.
新しい表現は使えば使うほど自然になります。学習の一番のコツは実際に使ってみること。恥ずかしがらずにどんどん試してみましょう。
Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Bestie. Bestie. You're my bestie. She's been my bestie for years. Thanks for helping me. You're literally my bestie. Come on, bestie. You've got this. Great job, everybody. Remember, bestie works best when your voice is warm and relaxed. It's a friendly word. Keep your tone light and natural.
ベスティは温かくリラックスしたトーンで言うのがポイントです。硬い発音や怒ったトーンでは不自然に聞こえます。友達に話しかけるような柔らかい声で練習しましょう。
And one more thing, bestie is casual social English, perfect for friends, social situations, and everyday life. Not for formal settings like job interviews or business meetings or work or anything like that.
ベスティはカジュアルな場面専用の言葉です。仕事の面接やビジネスメールでは使いません。場面に合わせて言葉を選ぶことも社会的な英語力の一つです。
Okay, Hiyori, and everyone listening, here's your challenge before the next episode. This week, I want you to use the word bestie in a real conversation, not in your head, out loud, or in a message. Here's exactly what to do. Think of one person in your life, a friend, a classmate, maybe a coworker, someone you feel close to. Send them a message today. It can be short, it can be simple. Just say, "You're my bestie." In English, of course. That's it.
Even if my English is not perfect?
Especially if your English is not perfect. That's the whole point. The word bestie doesn't require perfect grammar. It just requires just a little courage.
Okay, I will try.
Good. And when you do, share it with us. Tag us on Instagram, social_English_for_Japanese, or find us on TikTok at Real Social English. That's at REALSOCIALENGLISH. We want to celebrate it with you.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。
Let's review. Bestie, B-E-S-T-I-E, is short for best friend. It is always warm, always positive, never negative. 3 ways to use it. 1, to describe a close friend. She's my bestie. 2, to show appreciation. You're literally my bestie. And 3, to encourage someone. Come on, bestie, you got this. Don't forget, use it casually, use it warmly, and use it often. Be friendly. Practice is everything. All right, that's it for today's episode of Social English Podcast, episode number 282. Today, you learned one of the warmest slang words in American English, bestie. Here is your action item before the next episode. Think about your bestie, your closest friend, the person who shows up for you, makes you laugh, or always knows what to say. Share this episode with them right now. Send it with a message that says, "You're my bestie," in English, of course, and you share it. Tag us on Instagram or TikTok. You already know. We want to meet your bestie too. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I really enjoy sharing the time with you and helping you get better at speaking real social English. I will see you in the next episode. Peace and love.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.